8 Steps to Creating an Online Course is intended to give you a brief overview of the process that we go through at Moody Bible Institute Distance Learning when we create an online course. I am Mary Opria, an instructional designer for Moody, and I will be taking you through this short presentation. Our process involves a team of people in order to create a course: the subject matter expert, the instructional designer, the course reviewer, and the course builder, who puts it into our learning management system so it's ready for students. By the way, we consider our students as part of our team. They will review the course in a post-course survey. Based on their feedback, the course is reviewed and sometimes tweaked to make it even better. Now let's review the first of the 8 steps. The first step in creating your course is to create a title. Perhaps the title's already been given to you, but if not, create a catchy title that is short and to the point. Oftentimes, a title with a number in it will catch the student's eye and imagination. For instance, 8 Steps in Creating Your Online Course, 12 Essential Tips in Good Course Design, 5 Things to Avoid in an Online Course, etc. The second step in designing your course is to create your course description, if this hasn't already been given to you. Keep the course description to under 75 words and avoid redundancy, such as including at the beginning of the description words such as, "In this course the student will." Begin the course description instead with an active verb, such as explore, develop, investigate. The third step is to cluster your subtopics for the course. Every main topic is comprised of smaller parts. Think about the number of weeks your course runs. If it's 6 weeks, for example, think about topics that might be clustered into 6 subtopics. The fourth step has to do with creating a list of 4 to 6 course objectives. Course objectives tell the student what they should be able to do after they have completed the course. The course objectives should complete the sentence, "After completing this course, the student will be able to apply the 8 steps of course design, create appropriate course objectives, discuss the characteristics of the adult learner." Each course objective will therefore start with a verb. We like to use Bloom's taxonomy of learning to come up with these verbs. Bloom's is based on a system of 6 levels of learning, from more simplistic learning, such as memorization, to more complex learning, such as being able to create a new procedure or concept from what has been learned. The fifth step is to amass resources for your course. What will students need to read, watch, or listen to in order to learn about this topic? These can be textbooks, YouTube videos, videos that you personally record, voiceover PowerPoints like this one, web pages, or PDF prints, for instance. The more recent the resource, the better. The sixth step is to start creating your course map, which is a planning tool to help you begin to put the previous steps we've talked about into a cohesive whole. The course map is basically a 1 to 2 page outline of your course. You list your weekly topics, then subtopics, plus start thinking about the study assignments for each week and what written assignments you will require of the students for a grade. These assignments will tie into the course objectives. The seventh step is an expanded version of the course map, something we call the Course Creation Document, or CCD. This is a longer document in which we can lay out the course in more detail. It starts with the course description, the course objectives, and the listing of the required materials. Then there is a page for each week of the course to outline the structure of the weekly lesson. The last step in the process is to fill out an Excel spreadsheet that we use as a workload calculator. This tool contains formulas to help us figure out the time it will take a student to complete the work in the course each week. This tool also helps us make sure that the workload is consistent from week to week. We use templates for the course map, the CCD, and the workload calculator in every online course at Moody. Finally, here's a recap of all 8 steps we just discussed. Create the course title, then the course description, then cluster the subtopics, create the course objectives, amass the resources for the course, outline the course in a course map, fill out the course creation document, then finally fill out the Excel spreadsheet known as the workload calculator. You may find you like to do these steps in a different order, such as amassing your resources first, then creating your course objectives. That's all right. These are only suggestions to help you get started. This is the end of this presentation about the 8 steps to creating an online course.